Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Timix Skin Glow. Thank you for stopping by. On this channel, we do everything skincare to help you achieve your desired skin goal. If this is your first time of stopping by this channel, you are welcome. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be part of this big family. To my existing subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. So yeah, this is just a quick one to remind you of our skincare training on natural skincare formulation, training on Promixing, and of course, product customization. We just concluded our class for the month of July, so our next batch is for the month of August. If you're battling with formulas, you're battling with products and recipes that are not working for you, that are not giving you result, not giving your customers result, please send me a WhatsApp message now to be part of the next batch of my natural skincare formulation class or Promixing, whichever one you want. My natural skincare formulation class is so effective. You're going to see results from 1 week, but it's going to give you yellow undertone. Now, there is a difference between the white undertone and yellow undertone. Some people say organic formulas don't work, but that's not true. That's because they don't have active and effective formulas to share with you. Now, if you want formulas that will work, my own customized formulas, send me a message to register for the next natural skincare formulation class coming up in the month of August. Okay, my ebooks are available. If you don't want the class, what you want is the ebook, send me a message, it's available. Now, when we talk about Promixing, we have very effective, safe recipes that will give you whitening effect, half cast shade. Okay, not that kind of Promixing that will make you red, give you skin condition and reaction. No, safe Promixing. You can see what is going on in this video. This is Promixing whitening soap. This soap is so effective. This is a soap that can lighten you on its own. Now we have primary soap base, we have secondary soap base. If you know how to combine your soap well and make very effective soap, black soap, you will see result even without using a whitening or lightening lotion. So imagine when you pair it with the lotion. Now my class comprises of both soap, lotion, scrub, oil, face cream, and everything. Send me a message today if you are interested. The ebook is something that will send to your email or to you on WhatsApp as a PDF file. If you want the class, it's available as well, so affordable. So send me a message now to start your registration.